Introducing the Stinger Radio Replacement Kit for Toyota Tacoma. Made for Tacoma models from 2016 through 2021, this kit has everything you need to completely upgrade your truck's radio. The custom-fit dash kit perfectly mounts the HEIGH10's amazing 10-inch display right between the factory air vents that makes wiring super easy while retaining your truck's factory steering wheel controls. And USB and aux cables connected to the original ports on the dash, giving you a seamless experience. Just follow our included installation guide to add amazing features like Android Auto and Apple Carplay, where you can send and receive messages and phone calls, listen to music and podcast, and access your phone's navigation apps all from your radio. And of course, no car infotainment system would be complete without safety features. This system includes four camera inputs. You can add a backup camera, 2 side view cameras, and a front camera, or any combination of cameras. And if you purchase an optional iGo navigation card, you'll get integrated GPS navigation for accurate maps and turn-by-turn navigation without needing a cell phone signal. And finally, for you audiophiles out there, this system is DSP ready and comes with a built-in high-power amplifier, 4-volt 6-channel RCA outputs with subwoofer control, Toslink output, built-in crossover with high and low-pass filters, and 15-band adjustable EQ with customizable presets. So what are you waiting for? Transform your Toyota Tacoma radio today with the Stinger Radio Replacement Kit.